pretty. It's so pretty. Look at this. Just planted some petunias and a few marigolds, but this is what everything looks like so far. Last time I said that was petunia, it's not, it's dianthus. So look at everything doing so good. Petunias, a couple marigolds. Marigolds are one of my favorite flowers. Sunflowers, marigolds, at least to grow, to plant. Got all different colors from a loved one. I didn't buy any of these. She had extra everything, so she gave me all these flowers. So cool. And we do have sunflowers coming up on their own. They come back every year. And when they're growing in the grass like that, I have to dig them up. Got me a new water sprayer. It's so nice. That one's crooked. That one is, oops, Easy Wave Blue. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Bonanza marigold. I got more, that's for sure. See, there's the marigolds coming up on their own. I just save the seeds and they reseed. I love the smell of marigolds. Yep. So, oh yeah, look at all those marigolds in those and sunflowers. Let's see, I'll show you the other petunias. There we go. One of these. Oh, she gave me some mums. Very pretty. I need to weed this a little bit better. There's so many, what do you call those? Morning Glory. Morning Glory, there we go. I love this water sprayer. So nice. Look at them, so pretty. Marigolds, petunias. All different colors. We got purple, white, yellow, pink, red. Super pretty. We're gonna get a storm, but I can't count on it raining, so I'm watering anyway. But since we live in a sandy area, it's like good drainage soil, so come here, hose. There's a sunflower coming up on its own. And my little owl. Little mums. That falls off. See these waves and they're striped, multicolored. Oh, those are the double things. Double petunia or something like that. She gave me super cool. Thank you, that one. And then my son colored this years ago, and it was a frog. And then my daughter just colored this turtle. Pretty cute. So I save all my eggshells and I save all my coffee grounds that I throw in here. And just love it. Alright. Let's see. Here's a marigold. Come on, hose. There's a purple petunia. They need to be planted. Getting some sun. See, there's a double petunia. Oh, there's some pink, purple double petunia. I love this color. This color is so pretty. That one in the dark purple. Yep, and you got our pine cones in there. Marigolds should come up a little bit later. Some more marigolds. Here we go. And then we gotta go over to the other area. Pretty fun. Get it from my mom. Thanks, Mom. And Aunt. Thanks, Aunt. Pretty fun. Look at that purple. Look at that purple color. Full moon was last night. We went and explored yesterday, so I'm working on a video. And we found some petroglyphs. So cool. Look at all those marigolds coming up. Let's see. Yeah. So cool. And the sunflowers. I gotta dig those up out of the grass. There's some marigolds right in there too. All along. The seeds fell out of where they were planted up there. Okay, so now we'll go this way. There we go, look how pretty. How did that come out? Did that fall? Just, let's see. Easy Wave, Rosy Dawn. I don't think that's that one, but it's okay. It's actually this one, Easy Wave Velour Red. So, yeah. We got that one. We got this pretty bright purple. It's like a neon purple. We got some irises coming up. Some purples coming up. That's one of these. I can never remember that one. It's like, they look like little purple bells, but upside down. You know? I'll have to figure out the name again. Here's some dark purple. Oh, look how pretty. It's like a velvety. Is that focused? There we go. Velvety purple. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Lilac. That's actually a mom my brother got me for Mother's Day last year? Or 2 years ago, actually. I think it was 2 years ago. And it comes back every year. Never throw away your mums, because they come back every year, perennial. We got some, let's see, fix that back on. Some pretty pink. We got more purple in there. I did all the leftover extra ones in here. Look at those sunflowers coming out. That's awesome. I accidentally dug that one up. It doesn't look like it's doing very good. Sunflowers don't do very good when they're dug up when they're small. But when they're more established, they do a lot better. We still have a hard time though. Wow. Look at all those sunflowers. Aww. So pretty. Ooh, there's the cloud. Here comes the storm. Beautiful. Pretty, it's gonna be so pretty. You can hear the thunder. Wow. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, next time I gotta come out here and weed. Cool.
What right there?
Lightning. My peony down there is moving. No more thunder. Oh, the hummingbird. Oh, it's in a tree. See him?